Welcome back to Craft Catalog, the place where raw wood and imagination come together. Today we're stepping into one of the most breathtaking styles in woodworking, live edge furniture. There's something mesmerizing about keeping wood in its natural form, almost as if you've frozen a piece of the forest in time. That's the magic of live edge, and the secret to creating it beautifully is simpler than you might think. Live edge furniture celebrates every curve, ripple, and natural shape within a slab. Instead of trimming the edges into perfect straight lines, you embrace the outline created by nature itself. This style feels organic, warm, and timeless. Even a beginner can transform a live edge board into a table, a shelf, a bench, or a decorative accent that looks expensive and intentional. The real beauty lies in preserving what nature has already sculpted. The first step is choosing the right wood. Slabs with character marks, knots, and curves tend to make the most stunning live edge pieces. Whether it's walnut, maple, cedar, or acacia, the wood species sets the personality of your project. What matters most is that the slab is dried properly, flat enough to work with, and full of the natural charm live edge furniture is known for. Once you're holding your slab, the real transformation begins. Cleaning the edge is one of the most satisfying moments. You gently remove loose bark, soft spots, or dirt while maintaining the natural shape. You're not reshaping the wood, you're revealing its best features. This step exposes grain patterns and textures that may have been hidden for years. Sanding brings smoothness and softness to the piece. As you sand, the grain becomes more dramatic and vibrant. Live edge furniture often feels incredibly luxurious because every surface flows into the next without interruption. You want the wood to feel silky when you run your hand across it, which adds a sense of craftsmanship to the natural design. Finishing is where live edge truly comes alive. Oils and waxes enhance the grain, deepen the color, and protect the wood without hiding its organic lines. A good finish makes the edge richer and more dramatic. Every curve seems to glow. If you want a modern, polished look, a clear coat can add shine. If you want a rustic, natural vibe, an oil finish keeps the wood warm and earthy. What makes live edge furniture so unique is that no two pieces will ever look the same. Every slab carries its own history, and every line tells a story. When you build with live edge, you're not just making furniture. You're preserving personality, texture, and the raw beauty of wood in its most artistic form. If this inspires you to start your own live edge project, make sure you subscribe to Craft Catalog for more woodworking ideas, natural wood projects, and creative designs you can build at home.